Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found or is missing in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Now you need to find your system bit to download this. Go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type you can able to see your system bit guys. After knowing your system bit you just need to close stuff here. This link is for 32-bit operating system. This link is for 64-bit operating system. Select the link depends on your system bit. After getting download and click on it and install it. Select I agree and select the install option. If you have a repair option then you just need to select the repair option guys. If you have install option then select the install option. After getting installed and just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to download the latest version over here. Select the download option. And it started downloading. Select the folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to copy this DLL file. After copying it, go to this PC, local disk C, find the Windows folder, find system 32 folder, just right click on it and paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. Do the same for SYS wow 64 folder. Just right click on it and paste it. Select continue. And after pasting it, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.